Today, Judge, you will vote AF because we have clearly won this round on multiple criteria. Uh, let's go over the key voters. First of all, inflation. They dropped our warrant in their rebuttal speech. They never addressed inflation really directly at all. They merely pointed out that tariff rates also benefit, reduction in tariff rates also benefit the rich. So, since they didn't address that warrant, that silence equals assent, means they agree to it, which means we get those inflation impacts. Since those inflation impacts improve the value of every single dollar on the planet, that poor person's 10 cents is still worth 10 cents instead of being worth only 8 cents now. Uh, that is the round winner right there. So we win on the inflation warrant. But however, Judge, even if you don't buy that, even if for whatever reason you think, I don't like that warrant, it's too general and whatever. Here's the problem our opponents face. They simply cannot, they box themselves into a corner. They cannot get out of accepting either 500 million benefited poor people in China, or excluding it, but then also excluding all of Africa, which is the only place on the planet where the neg side even has a vague semblance of resemblance to truth. So, what we can't let them do is exclude China and keep Africa. I think their exceptions logic is ridiculous, frankly. I mean, why should we exclude those 500 million people in China just because it hurts the neg side? That's the only reason I can think of. However, if we're going to exclude them according to this outliers don't count logic, then you definitely got to exclude Africa as well. And if you exclude them both, and you look at the net benefits, even if you don't consider the inflation warrant, the correlation card proves poor people are less poor. We win.